The general meeting of the Association of Power Engineers of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited was held on the 15th of July 2022, where it was unanimously resolved that the management must be made accountable to the existing problems within the corporation. Speaking to media persons today, the president of the Association of Power Engineers, Arju Dakhar, said that the association can no longer remain silent spectators and a party to the unsatisfactory service provided to the consumers by the corporation. At the same time, he also opined that a thorough inquiry should be conducted into the non-functional, newly installed generating sets of power stations, of which the MeECL has spent crores of rupees on their procurement. He further said that strict action must be taken against any member of the association or officials of the corporation who have been indulging in wealth accumulation from the corporation.
We have moved a step ahead, and that is henceforth to make the policy makers, our management, accountable. We can no more be as silent spectators and a party to this. Recently, in the meetings of the government, some top officials mentioned that in Meghalaya we are facing rain, we are receiving rain every day, but the unfortunate part is the generation is less and we have to encounter load shedding during this period of monsoon. It has really hit us and we really feel bad for that. As a president of this association, I take this blame for not making our management accountable. We have a generation capacity, hydro generation capacity of more than 350 megawatt. But for whatever reason, especially during the rainy season, we could not optimize our generation. And recently, we have seen in our power stations functioning at 30, 40, 50% level. We do expect that during the monsoon period, we maximize our generation. Why? The generating sets of the power stations, which are newly installed, are non-functional. When you spend crores and crores of rupees for such installation of machines, is our own people involved? We want a thorough inquiry. As members of these associations, each one of us sustain our family as long as this organization live and sustain. The moment this organization collapses, our family also will be dragged to the street. Before such thing happens, we want to take an extreme step. If any of our members, if any top officials of MeECL are found to be indulging in accumulating wealth individually at the cost of this organization, we demand that strict action be taken.